Hey guys, so I made that video about me being the winner and I won the high heeled stapler. But I just wanted to make another video because I love this thing so much, and I figured, you know what, dude, I'm gonna do one of those unboxing videos. I don't know how to do them, but this is my first one and I'm just gonna do it. So check this out. Okay, let's unbox this awesome thing. Oh, this is so precious, so cool. Okay, there's a little piece of tape right here. I'm gonna peel that off nice and gently. Okay, we're gonna open the lid here. Uh-huh. Oh, look at that. Oh, it does it come out? Okay, we gotta bring it out here. Oh man, look at that. It's so cool. Okay, now we gotta load it. Oh, just like that, huh? Okay, I got some staples ready. Put some staples in there. Boom. Okay. All right, let's try it. Oh, it didn't work. Oh no, it didn't work. There it goes, you guys, it works. One more time. Oh man, it works just like a stapler should work. Hey, how about that? So there we go. Here is the high-heeled Swingline stapler. Color is red, in case you're colorblind. Uh-huh. That I won. Third place prize, dude. Third place prize. I'm so happy. This is so cool. I don't know. I don't know why. It's an office thing. I think it's funny. I think it's hilarious. And I enjoy it. So we're going to stick that right there. Mm-hmm. All right, guys. Have a great weekend. Talk to you later.